Hello and assalamu alaikum. My expectation in this video that is PWM lab. Um, so in PWM we have two tasks. First is of blinking of LED, and the second one of motor. Uh, First of all, we will see this LED in microcontroller at Mega 328P that we are using. So you will see that according PWM code we have made, this LED blinks after a interval of time. So for the next task, we move on, and this task is of motor. So we are controlling the motor speed through it, and we have two push buttons, and we are using L298 motor driver. So if I start, you can see our motor is moving. So if I open this, you see how much speed it gains, and if I close this push button, you can see the effect on motor. So it has decreased the RPM. So you can see the pulse width modulation working. So if I move on towards its programs, so the first program for looking of LED, we are declaring the standard IO library. We are calling interrupt library. We are using 16 megahertz crystal, and we are using the delay library. So then we have duty cycle declared as 0, and furthermore in main we are using setting PD6 output for LED, and then we have this register for E we are using, and then we have the setting interrupt enabled in the mask register. Then we have output compare register for desired duty cycle, and then we are using this setting external interrupt. Then we are using prescaler mode, and for that, in while loop we have the duty cycle, so which is changing the loop for the blinking of LED. So then we have this service routine, and then in that function we are using interrupt, that is duty cycle in between program. So in this, with this program is running, if I move on towards the next program, that is of motor. So we replace that we are using delay library and IO input. So here we replace your application code, that is for the motor, and over here we have DDR port as 0 cross 80. We are giving to it, and storing in the register, and then we have this uh, timer A and timer B of 0, and then we have while loop, and then we have if statement in which pin D is if equal to 0, if equal to 1, and then we have OCROA 0. Then we call delay of 2 seconds, and then in else we have OCROA maximum 255. So in this way, or from 0 to 255, or more speed changes. So in this program is running. So that was it from this lab 10. Thank you for watching the video.